Hey everyone! The latest release in Xiaomi's wearable lineup, the Xiaomi Smart Band 9 Pro, pushes the boundaries of fitness tracking technology. Sporting a distinctive square screen and loaded with an impressive suite of features, this fitness tracker blends style, functionality, and affordability. The Xiaomi Smart Band 9 Pro's standout feature is its 1.74-inch AMOLED display, marking a significant shift from the smaller screens typical of non-Pro Xiaomi wearables. With a resolution of 336 by 480 pixels and a brightness peak of 1200 nits, this display delivers vivid colors, making it easy to check your stats and notifications, even in direct sunlight. Despite its larger screen, the device remains compact at 43.27 by 32.49 by 10.8 millimeters and lightweight at just 24.5 grams, ensuring comfort on the wrist for extended wear. The Xiaomi Smart Band 9 Pro is designed for comprehensive health monitoring, offering blood oxygen level monitoring, heart rate tracking, stress management tools, and sleep analysis. Whether you're pushing yourself in a workout or winding down, these features provide continuous feedback to help manage your wellness. With over 150 sports modes, this tracker is equipped for various activities, including enhanced monitoring for swimming and jogging. Its 5 ATM water resistance means that users can confidently wear the device while swimming or showering. Additionally, the tracker provides advanced GPS functionality with support for multiple satellite systems, such as GLONASS, Galileo, and QZSS, ensuring accurate route tracking for outdoor activities. The Smart Band 9 Pro's 350 mAh battery offers up to 21 days of use on a single charge under optimal conditions. This extended battery life, combined with its quick recharging capability, makes it a reliable companion for users who prefer to focus on their fitness rather than worrying about frequent recharging. It also includes Bluetooth 5.4 for seamless connectivity with mobile devices, NFC for quick transactions, and compatibility with both Android 8.0 and above and iOS 12 and above devices. Xiaomi has incorporated options for customization, offering various straps to fit different tastes and lifestyles. Standard models start at $56, while those looking for a touch of luxury can opt for a leather strap for $13 or a magnetic strap for $23. The Xiaomi Smart Band 9 Pro combines functionality with an accessible price, offering an AMOLED display, extensive health tracking, and connectivity features typically found in more premium models. The new design, coupled with its impressive list of features, makes it an attractive option for anyone looking to invest in a reliable fitness tracker with excellent value. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, then subscribe to the channel, because in the next videos I will compare them with other fitness watches. Have a nice day and see you soon.